You look at your phone and you witness a threatening message, a harmful post, or active bullying unfolding in a class group chat. Your first instinct might be to jump in, reply to the threat, or broadcast a screenshot publicly to defend your peer. But firing back or sharing the post for others to see only accelerates the conflict and exposes more people to the harm. Instead, this diagram maps out a proven 4-step method to handle the situation: pause, protect, preserve, and report. To execute this sequence, you only need a secure device and a specific trusted adult you can go to for help. Managing digital threats requires a controlled, private protocol that shifts control away from the person causing harm without putting you in the line of fire. When an aggressive message drops into a chat, the immediate digital environment feels tense. Before you do anything else, you must pause. Look at this drafted, angry response. This is exactly the impulse you need to stop. If you have already started typing a defense, delete the text and refuse to hit send. Arguing or threatening the instigator feeds the conflict cycle and compromises your own position in the dispute. Next, you protect yourself by closing off their access to you. Use your app settings to mute the notifications or leave the conversation entirely. Securing your own mental and digital perimeter is a strict requirement before you can help solve the problem for anyone else. Once you are safely disconnected from the active threat, you can move to step 3, preserve. You need to lock down the facts by taking a clear screen capture of the harmful messages. As this wireframe shows, valid digital evidence requires capturing 2 explicit details: the exact message content and the specific account name of the sender. You must also capture the visible date and timestamp within that exact same image frame. Never crop, filter, or draw over the screenshot. Modifying the image in any way breaks its validity as evidence. Save this raw, unedited file directly into a hidden or private folder on your device. Do not forward it to your friends for entertainment. Digital evidence is only useful if it remains completely unaltered and strictly contained. With your evidence preserved, you step out of the digital environment to complete the final step: report. You need an authorized adult to hand this intelligence over to. This means a parent, a teacher, a guidance counselor, or a designated school safety officer. Speak to them privately using this structure. Clearly explain exactly what happened and the specific platform where it happened. Next, tell them when you observed the incident and who you believe is at risk. Keep all of these details between you and the trusted adult. Spreading names or rumors complicates the situation and makes it harder for the school to intervene safely. If you read a message that suggests someone is in immediate physical danger, bypass these steps and seek adult help right away. Delivering a structured report deploys a support system for those being targeted, focusing on preventing harm rather than just issuing a punishment. Once the report is filed, the burden of the threat is off your shoulders. You can put your device away, knowing the issue is being handled. The sequence works because it is deliberate: pause, protect, preserve, and report. By exercising restraint, you contain the spread of harmful messages and provide clean intelligence to the people equipped to stop it. Individual responsibility in these moments builds a secure, collective defense against digital violence for everyone in the school. Digital safety requires disciplined, deliberate action to neutralize threats before they can spread.